Here is your order.
Thank you. Here you are. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Cabbage.
Oops.
Salt. Waiting for a few minutes. Water. Carrot. Spring onion. Flour. Egg. Black pepper. Sugar. Let's fry it. Cooking oil. We fry until golden on both sides. Take it out. Next, we will make the sauce. Ketchup. Soy. Corn syrup. Oyster. Mix it until smooth. Let's taste it.
Yummy.
Let's drink milk for dessert. Milk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Mini Yummy love you.